Yeah, 2021, we have temporary baby hairs.
Yep, not flying cars or the solution to me eating all the calories I want without gaining weight. No, temporary baby hairs.
Hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today we're gonna get some baby hairs. So probably you've seen this product before while scrolling through Instagram or Facebook. These are temporary baby hairs. What do you call it? Yeah, temporary baby hairs makeup tool. So at first, if you're anything like me, at first when you saw this, you're like, what kind of foolishness this been out there, Jesus? But then, what had happened was,
and curiosity often leads to trouble. Goodbye, Dinah. Goodbye.
and here we are today. So just from looking at it, it looks like one of those lollipop tattoos. When they used to get the tattoo in the little bum bum sweet to them, don't it? No, not lollipops. It was around the bubble gum. Yes, the little square top bubble gum them. I just had flashbacks of those taste bad bubble gums. Them did tough. Yeah, I'm pretty sure most people bought them just for the tattoos. Ooh, okay. So, ooh, look at us being fancy. So we have here some different designs. First of all, if you're able to do your baby hairs like this, I don't think you're using baby hairs. It must be adolescent hairs you're using, because this look very thick. If this is how you do your baby hairs, why? Just, oh, lie! Maybe this must cut out like in one straight. Probably for this one, you're supposed to cut out like individual like tubes. Maybe I should use this one because this would be more natural and a little closer to the aesthetic that I usually go with for my baby hairs. But girl, I am feeling to add a little spice to my baby hairs, so might as well go for it and try one of these two tattoos. If we're gonna do this, we're gonna do this. So I purchased this from Amazon, and of course I'll leave the link down in the description box in case you're curious, just like myself, and say, hey, why not give it a try? Alright, so if you've never used these temporary tattoos before, like if you've never used temporary tattoos, how you usually do it is like you clean the area of your skin that you want to put the tattoo on, then you lay the tattoo down, and then you wet it with water, you rub it down, make it stay for like 30 seconds or something, and then you peel off the paper, and the tattoo is supposed to be left back on the skin. And that's basically it. Then when you're ready to take it off, you just scrub it off with a rag and soap and water, and it's supposed to come off. It's going to come off. It's temporary. So first thing I'm going to do is to just cut out the baby hairs. Well, not cut them out, but separate them. Alright, so yeah, I think this is for this side, and this one is for the right side. So right side, wait, ooh, no, you know. So let me show you how I am differentiating them. I'm just gonna look where the hair gets a bit more wispy and loose. Yeah, and that is the section of the tattoo that I want to be closer to my natural hairline. So we're going to go like this. So you see, so wispy, wispy, wispy. So that is where I want to hit, right here. I mean, It ain't rocket science. Ooh, first thing we're gonna do is clean off my forehead, because that's pretty much where these baby hair is going, on my forehead. Yeah. Because even though I complain a lot that I don't have baby hairs, I got a little something going on. So I'm kind of wondering how this tattoo going to interact with my natural hairline. But yeah, I'm just going to remove makeup and sweat and whatever else is there on my skin. Alright, so there's a little plastic covering over the tattoo. Alright, let's, how we going to size this up? Alright, so we have little sideburns. So we want the sideburns to look natural, so we're going to put the sideburns. What the fuck? I mentioned I don't think this is going to work out well. So let me line up the sideburns. It's better the sideburns match up and everything else fail. Oh my lord. Okay. Alright. Spray with water. Oh. Keep it flat on my head. Suppose it spoiled. Like, as if I expected this to work. Oh my lord. Okay. What it? Alright. Am I going to have baby hairs? Oh my gosh. Alright, so I'm supposed to rub it on. Alright, let me just press it on the skin, make sure everything is transferring. I am trying to actually make this work. The way I'm behaving, you would think that I spent like a fortune on this thing, right? Yeah. Okay. Where is it? Is it on? Oh my lord. I hope this blue can come out of my hairline. Crap. Oh lord. Oh wow. Well, oh wow, okay. So as I thought, clearly this is meant to adhere to my skin and not my actual hairs. But unless I'm going to put the baby hairs down in the forehead, you know, I had to get part of it in my actual hairline.
Ghetto! The ghetto.
I feel like it's my duty to try and make this look good. I'm going to use acetone and just try and like wipe like the edges. Cause if you block out this white section, right, that's actually on my hairs, if you block that out, right, you can see it going on with something, like it going on with something. And maybe I can use little like a makeup powder and blend it in with my own hair. Why do I work so hard to try and make these things work? Like, alright, so just going to take a little acetone on a cotton bud. I don't know if this gonna work. I'm just trying here. I don't know. I feel like I can't really move my forehead. Feels tight. Anyways, ooh, that's strong. Alright, so I'm just going to, ooh, okay. So I'm just going to try and blend. Okay, that's taking, alright, that never will stay. Alright, let's continue. I'm trying to blend the tattoo into the hairline. Anywhere lift up, it just never will stay here. not melting in as seamlessly as I would have hoped. But
The ghetto. The ghetto.
however, we got out the white stuff. The glue that never have no skin to stick onto. Yeah, we got rid of that. So, is it looking that bad right now? Like, I'm giving you sexy baby hairs. Alright, so now, work with me. What we're gonna do to try and give it a fair chance is I'm gonna add a little makeup powder, yeah, to my hairline to kind of try like blend it in, and maybe take off some of the shininess because it's shiny and it's a give us this do real. I would show them my makeup palette, but this not camera ready, so just know say I using a black powder. Is that blending?
Is this looking as crazy as I think it does? Are we looking more natural? Maybe it's not that bad. Maybe it's just a lighting. Oh dear, this is not blending. Why is there so much space? This is madness. This is crazy. Okay, let's just play it off. Just play it cool, babe. Maybe it doesn't look as bad as you think it does.
It's giving me
Nothing. It's giving me nothing.
since we already booked this, I say let's try another design. Why not? Alright. Spray it with water. Alright, ready? 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 Now let's make it look a little more natural with a little makeup powder. Dab it a little bit to take off the shine. I don't know if that's working. Alright, so let me know down below in the comment section if you saw me randomly walking down the road. Yeah. On a scale of 1 to 5, how believable does my baby hair look? 1 being, oh hell nah, and 5 being, damn, baby hair's on fleek. Anyway, beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up if you did. If you're new to this channel and you haven't decided to subscribe from this one video, that's fine. We just met. Let's not move too fast. I'll leave some more of my videos up in the iCards so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then if you actually sit down through like 2 or 3 more of my videos, that should tell you that you actually enjoy the content here and it just makes sense to subscribe. Okay, beauties, thanks again for watching. Later. Mwah. Baby hair's on fleek. Fleek. We should bring that back.